Virgin Voyages Brazilian ladies in Santorini, Greece today. And I'm gonna get ready to go out, take cable cars over there, and head to Ia. Let's go. We've been in Santorini before, and you can check the other video we have from the last time where we went to the unique red beach and Ia, also independently, but we spent a lot of money on Uber rides to visit everything. But this time around, I'm gonna show you how to get to Ia and barely spend any money to get there to see those amazing cliffs and beautiful blue domes. Well, Virgin being Virgin, they even guarantee for free the tickets for the cable cars here in Santorini, because on the previous cruise line we had to pay for the cable cars, and here they provide free, one way up, one way down. It's super windy. My hair already changed direction. They put up this fence now to organize the embarkation. The embarkation from the boats. Gonna head straight to the cable cars to not waste any time. If you missed our Celebrity Beyond in Santorini vlog, it's up on the channel, and you'll see the whole process here on the cable cars. You can check that video out as well, and everything else that we've done here in Santorini for the first time we came. Today I think I'm going just for a walk in Ia, get some new pictures. That's it. Here we go up.
Full show.
That's Ronaldo.
Like for free to accommodate people.
Working to get them free burgers. Just you know, they can eat better than try. I'm on the upper side now. I'm going down on the main street, and it feels just like yesterday. Oh my god, nothing changed. And I remember having a yellow Fanta right here at this bar. Guys, checking Uber prices to go to Ia, and it's 36 euros each way. So I found out there's a bus between 1 euro to 3 euros to head there. So I'm heading to the main square now to this bus stop. Let's see what's gonna happen. Look at this, there's a McDonald's right here. If you wanna try the Greek McDonald's. Well, let's go to the bus stop. Last time I took it over directly to the Red Beach and then to Ia, so I didn't get to see this charming square here in Fira. I don't remember the pronunciation of Fira, but I think it's Fira.
week at 14h30, okay? Tonight, like at the Fira.
So here it is, the local bus, €2 each way, heading to here now. This is a very nice bus.
Cute clothes? I don't know. Or maybe you want to be like Meryl Streep on the night.
Just got here in here, and the bus ride was about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and it's totally worth it. So let's explore a little bit more here. It's the first blue dome here in Guga. So gloomy today, you can barely see the ship. Just keep it in mind, a lot of these ways have no trespass signage, so respect the boundaries and do not go any further. Oh, look how cute. The Castle of Ia is one of the landmarks that everybody comes to see the sunset, and it's the most beautiful sunset in Greece. Well, there are some things in Greece that you have to try it, and one of those are baklava and olive, like there are gazillion types of olive. I just got a pack of garlic olives for Rob, because Rob loves olives, and this cute box of baklava for myself, this little shop. Seems like this is the best spot. Thank you, guys. Found another cool spot here for another picture. I'm back here at the bus pickup location to go back to Fira. And it was such a cool, relaxing walk here. He saw the domes and took pictures. And it's very chilly today, cloudy, and it feels great. The weather feels great here, actually. So let's head back. Back on the street to the cable cars, and the reason why I didn't film my way back from here is because the bus was so packed I had to stand. But still, I only spent €4 in transportation, plus few bucks on the souvenirs. So I didn't even spend €20 for the whole day in Santorini. And again, cable cars tickets provided by Virgin, otherwise you'd have to pay this amount. So saved €12. Let's go.
Oh, you should take a picture of the video. Oh, jeez. Okay, here's my lotion.
Yeah, you're here now, girl.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Are you gonna trip?
No, I don't like that.
We already established that.
No screaming. Okay.
She loved the ride.
She's gonna stow her.
Okay, now I'm gonna get in line, not a line, to go on board of the tender boat back to the ship. So, tonight after a long day in Santorini. More bento baby, beef empanadas that I love, dessert, and coffee. We are now leaving Santorini 8:30 p.m. and I had an amazing time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, share. Till next time. And look, yeah, all the way over there behind me. Beautiful